Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where every week we introduce a new rum cocktail. We're here at Muddy River Distillery, North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery. I'm Robbie. This is my wife, Caroline.
Hello.
It's Thanksgiving this week, so because of that, we're going to do a Thanksgiving drink. Caroline, what are we making today?
Happy Thanksgiving. This week we're making a simple cranberry cocktail. We know you're going to be super busy making all those Thanksgiving sides and turkeys for the big day. This is easy to make one drink or scale up to do it for your friends and family as well. You can do a pitcher, punch bowl, whatever makes it easy.
Really helpful when you're busy during Thanksgiving. You don't have to mess around.
Yes, you can just have a whole thing ready to go of it.
What rum are you using for this drink?
Today we're using our Queen Charlotte's Reserve. This is our aged rum.
This is our most awarded rum also. This is aged in virgin American white oak barrels. It's been in several publications. Got a gold medal in the Miami Rum Fest. This ages for 1 year. We also have a 4-year version available for sale.
So we're going to start with 1 part Queen Charlotte's Reserve Carolina rum in here. It smells so good. We use virgin American white oak. It's charred on the inside, so get that nice oaky smell from it. 1 part of that. We're going to do 1.5 parts cranberry juice. Gives it a nice little tartness as well.
It really makes it pair well with Thanksgiving dinner. It goes well with your infamous cranberry relish, right?
Yes, I love cranberry relish. All right, so we have our rum, cranberry juice. We're going to top it off with Unknown Brewing Co. in Charlotte's ginger ale. It is fantastic. If you have not had it, give it a try. Top it off. Give it a little stir. Love that beautiful cranberry color as well. Then we're going to garnish it with some cranberries on a little food pick here. And voila! We have our cranberry cocktail. Cheers!
Thank you. That hits a spot. I could do a few of those while watching football, talking to my Uncle Tom or whatever.
Makes it super easy to get along with friends and family when you have one of these.
Yeah, unless you have great friends and family like us, and they're just easy to hang out with. That's not true.
That's true.
No, I'm just kidding. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Link to the recipe is in the description below. We have more information about Muddy River Distillery and our products, including recipes, on www.muddyriverdistillery.com. We have extended hours this Thanksgiving, so Black Friday, before and after your shopping, you can come check us out at the distillery for a tour and tasting. $8 gets you in the door with a shot glass, and then you come back forever for free. So free samples from us with this shot glass.
Also, use our rums in your baking this holiday season. Use Queen Charlotte's Reserve in your pecan pie. Use the spiced rum in rum cake, fruit cake, rum balls. So.
That reminds me of Tom's spiced rum bacon, which I was pretty impressed with. That stuff was awesome. So thank you, Tom.
Shout out to Tom. Tom works here with us. He's awesome.
You'll see him in tours making you drinks, and he's got lots of jokes and good stuff to talk about. So his bacon was phenomenal, and he makes lots of other good cocktails also. All right, don't forget to subscribe for more Muddy River Mixology Monday videos and other happenings around the distillery. And happy Thanksgiving. Cheers.
Happy Thanksgiving.
So
happy Thanksgiving from the Delaney's.
From the Delaney's and Muddy River Distillery. You'll be eating Thanksgiving and we'll be making liquor because that's all we do around here. FML. JK.
Raffle.
Raffle?
Rolling on the floor laughing.
Oh. That's a thing, huh?